Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Indoor Safe Propane Heater is perfect for heating workshops, enclosed porches, hunting blinds, campers, tailgating, ice fishing, you name it. It's safe, provides hours of warmth, and is easy to use and store. Let's get started. First, remove the unit from the box and check for any shipping damage to the unit. It's very important that you read, understand, and follow all safety instructions and warnings in the manual before setting up and operating the unit. During operation, the heater and the attached cylinders must be in an upright position. To start setting the unit up, make sure the 4-position control knob is in the off position. Then swivel the regulator on the right side outward for easy tank installation. Make sure the unit is outside or away from any flames or other ignition source and cool to the touch. Now screw the 1-pound tank clockwise into the regulator located on the right side. The tank threads must be properly aligned with the heater threads to avoid damage to the heater. Using soapy water, check for leaks at the threaded connection under the domed plastic cover. The Portable Buddy Heater can be used with propane tanks up to 40 pounds using the Mr. Heater Hose F273 701 and fuel filter number F273 699, the Mr. Heater Hose F273 702 and the fuel filter F273 699, the Mr. Heater Hose number F298 802 and fuel filter number F273 699, the Mr. Heater Hose number F273 704, a fuel filter is not required for this hose. Using soapy water, check for leaks at all fuel filter and hose connections. Before starting heater, check clearance to combustible objects. Top 30 inches, front 24 inches, side 6 inches, rear 0. To light the pilot burner, press and turn the control knob counterclockwise to the pilot position and push down for 30 to 60 seconds. Leaving the knob in the pilot position, release and push back down for ignition. Repeat this step until the pilot lights. After the pilot is lit, hold the knob down for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Then release knob and confirm pilot light stays on. The control knob should return to its fully extended position. To light the heater, turn the control knob to the high position. Leave on this position until the burner tile turns bright orange. Then adjust the heat output by turning control knob to the desired position. To shut off the heater, slightly push down and turn control knob clockwise to the off position. The tip switch is an important safety device that shuts down the heater if it is knocked over or tilts past approximately 45 degrees. Once the tile is turned bright orange, tip the unit to test the tip switch safety device for proper shutdown of the heater. All infrared heaters, including the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy, consume oxygen in the process of burning and must be properly vented. The Portable Buddy is also equipped with a life-saving oxygen depletion system, ODS. The ODS senses the level of oxygen around the heater and shuts the heater down automatically if the oxygen percentage falls below a factory preset level. Please note, the Portable Buddy is not designed for elevations over 7,000 feet due to the advanced ODS safety system. When using the Portable Buddy, remember that after turning the heater off, the wire guard will remain hot. Be sure it thoroughly cools before storing. Do not operate, store, or remove cylinder near any flammable items or ignition sources. Always disconnect the LP gas cylinders from heater when not in use. You're now ready to use the Portable Buddy Heater, the latest evolution in powerful and portable heat. Be sure to watch the Portable Buddy cleaning and maintenance video for tips on how to take care of your heater. Mr. Heater is America's most popular brand of portable heaters.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
Make your next adventure a little more comfortable with the ultralight sleeping pad from Sleepingo. Roughing it doesn't mean you have to get a rough night of sleep. Take the pad on any trip for a better rest. Inflate it fast and easy with just 10 to 13 breaths. 2 inches of thickness keep you well above the ground and supported in any position, even on your side. Made with ripstop nylon, the pad is durable and waterproof to hold up against the elements. The air cells of the pad contour to your body for optimal support and comfort. Rest easy on your next adventure with the Sleepingo Ultralight Sleeping Pad.
Take your dining experience to the next level with the STANSPORT Deluxe Enamel Tableware Set. We start with high-quality stainless steel and double glaze it with a rugged enamel for unparalleled durability and classic rustic style. Each piece features a stainless steel edge and is tough enough to use in the wilderness and stylish enough to use at home. The tableware set is available in white, green, and blue. The STANSPORT Percolator Enamel Set includes 1 8-cup percolator and 4 12-ounce mugs. The percolator has a sturdy pour handle and cool touch bail. Each item is kiln hardened to help prevent chips and scratches. The enamel percolator set is available in both white and blue. Both enamel sets are lightweight, making them ideal for family camping, recreational vehicles, or home use.
If you're not regularly putting your survival skills to the test, but still want the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for emergencies, then the TRSIN 13-in-1 is an excellent option. None of the gear is high-end, but all of it could save your life. It ships in a waterproof box and only weighs about £1. It's perfect for keeping in a car.